your loan is clear to close. The finish line is in sight. Are you ready and excited? Here's what's next. Now that the underwriter has signed off, our closing team can get to work. They prepare loan documents and they're going to send them over to your closing agent, either an attorney or a title company, who will add a few extra documents to the pile and then reach out to schedule your signing. Most signings are done in person at the settlement agent's office, and you'll usually sign documents the old-fashioned way with a pen in your hand. But if for some reason that's not possible, there are a couple of other options. A mobile notary service can come to you, or in certain states, you might be able to sign digitally with a remote online notary. But whatever the venue, the process is the same. The notary checks your ID and walks you through signing a heap of documents. The closing agent is also going to be able to give you the final to the penny amount of money that you need to send for closing, and that'll be net of any deposits and earnest money that you've already paid. But remember, they can only take certified funds. You have to send a wire transfer or bring a cashier's check. Once you've signed and you've sent the funds to closing, you're done, but there is still one last step. The official closing actually happens behind the scenes. We wire loan funds to the closing agent, and when the funds arrive, they can record deeds, and they record 2 deeds in public record. Deed number 1 transfers ownership of the property from the seller to you, and deed number 2 attaches the mortgage to the property in public record. In wet funding states, that signing and closing and funding all happen on the same day, but out west in dry funding states, and that's Oregon and Washington, California, Alaska, Arizona, Hawaii, Idaho, Nevada, and New Mexico, you'll typically sign your closing documents and deliver money 1 or 2 business days before your official closing date. So for now, just sit tight, triple check that you've got valid wiring instructions, keep your ID handy, and while you wait for the call to schedule your signing, peruse this page and check out the resources for more information. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.